Jiangxi HAISHA Industry Company Limited, established in 2015, is a professional supplier specialized in the pipeline welding solution sale and comprehensive after-sales service of a wide range of reliable welding equipment and practical pipe tools, including hydraulic and welding machines, manual welding machines, electrofusion welding machines, and multi-angle workshop fitting machines. Strategically located in Jiangxi Province, we enjoy convenient land, water, and air transportation networks that facilitate efficient domestic distribution and smooth international shipping to global markets. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members with rich industry knowledge and technical expertise are always available to discuss your specific requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction at every stage of cooperation. In addition, we have obtained ISO certification and other relevant industry credentials which underscore our commitment to product excellence, standardized management, and continuous improvement in both technology and production processes. Our products not only sell well across all cities and provinces in China, earning high praise from domestic clients for their stable performance and durability, but are also exported to clients in numerous countries and regions such as Southeast Asia, Africa, the Middle East, Europe, South America, and North America. We warmly welcome OEM and ODM orders, tailoring our products to meet your unique specifications with flexible customization solutions and professional technical support. Whether you are selecting a standard product from our comprehensive catalog or seeking professional engineering assistance for your customized application, you can reach out to our responsive customer service center at any time to discuss your sourcing needs in detail.